Hello YouTube, my name is LastOyaTev and I wanted to show you a video in which I do a real-world comparison of the Pebble and the Moto 360 smartwatch. I wanted to show you how both these devices behave in the following categories, which are important to me as a normal user. Number 1, notifications. Number 2, music control. Number 3, phone disconnection. I have my HTC One paired with both devices, so you can see the Pebble on the left and the Moto 360 on the right. Alright, so let's begin with the first test. I wanted to see how quickly the Pebble and the Moto 360 with Android Wear would notify about a text message that I will send from my wife's phone. Let's go ahead and do this real quickly here. I will be sending 3 test messages. Let's go ahead and do that. Number 1. Number 2. And finally, number 3. As you can see, for some unknown reason, at least to me, the Moto 360 has a small delay in notifying from the time it receives a message on the phone. In contrast, the Pebble pretty much notifies you first than the phone, which is strange. I mean, there's nothing too major, but maybe Google can make an adjustment to the firmware so that the Moto 360 can show those messages a little bit faster. Anyway, I still like how the Moto 360 shows the picture of the person sending the message, which you can get an idea of who sent the message with a quick glance. So, yeah, on to the second test. Okay, music controls. Now, a lot has changed with the 4.4 W2 Android Wear update. And the music controls have been remade in a way which is so much better. You used to have to swipe to reach the next song button and swipe again to reach the previous song button. Now you only have to swipe a single time to reach the previous, next, and volume up, volume down buttons. So let's go ahead and start with the test. I'll go ahead and set this up for the Pebble first. Okay, here, let's just press the send button. Let me put this, okay, so you can see it here. So you go ahead into the menu, you choose music. Now for this section I had to redo the audio because YouTube policies do not allow copyrighted music to be playing in the background. So basically here I'm just showing the Pebble and the music controllers. You can press play, you can, right now you see the volume up, volume down buttons. And these are simple controls. The nice thing is you have physical buttons that allow you to easily control the music. You can skip ahead and return to the previous song, pressing the upper button. And you can stop, pause the music, and play it again. It's that simple. Okay, Google, play music. Once again, I had to redo the audio. Like I explained before, we have copyright music playing in the background. But as you can see, with the Moto 360, you have to use a voice command to open the player. Once you do that, you go ahead and swipe, and you get to the music controls. You have volume down, like right now, and volume up, and previous and next song. Pause and play in the previous screen, and it's really simple. Although it's not, it's not a dedicated button like you have on the Pebble, but it works fine. Now there's some really cool I wanted to show you. Android Wear now allows you to download music onto the smartwatch. I just wanted to show you how it works. So basically, you just go ahead and go into the music settings for the Google Play app, and you gotta select download for Android Wear right there. Once you click on that and you download some music onto your phone, it'll automatically be transferred onto your smartwatch. It takes a while to transfer though, so once it's finished, you can go ahead. Let me show you here. I'll go ahead and disconnect the smartwatch from the phone. Okay, now it's disconnected, so just take the phone out of the way, and let me show you here. So you can see it's disconnected, and I can go ahead and go on to the start menu. I don't know if you can see this clearly. Try my best here. Okay, here's the play music, and once you click on that, it'll say like there's no audio devices connected. Go to settings. You can go ahead and go to settings, and you can try, if you have a Bluetooth headset like I do right here, you can go ahead and turn this on. Okay, now it's connected, and you can go ahead and just like that, and great. Let's go ahead and play music, and as you can see up here, the phone is disconnected, so it is playing right here from the smartwatch, and I don't think you can hear the music, but believe me, it's playing. So this is good if you want to go jogging or, do a workout and you don't want to take your phones. You have one of those phablets, so it's pretty good. Now, onto the final test, phone disconnection. I really like my smartwatch to let me know when I am getting away from my phone. My phone, I forgot at the office, so when I am out of the office, it'll vibrate and let me know so I can go get it. So I think that's a pretty good feature. The thing is, I couldn't find anything that would work the way I wanted it to, in the stock OS for both the Pebble and Android. So I had to go ahead and download apps which do that. But I found some great apps, although for some reason the Pebble will take a pretty long while to let you know that your phone has been disconnected. On the other hand, the app I downloaded for Android Wear which is called Phone Finder. I mean, that responds really, really quickly. Both smartwatches will vibrate, and that is something I can't show you. Maybe you can hear it, but I'll just go ahead and let you know when it vibrates. Let's go ahead and just disconnect the Bluetooth. And that's the Android Wear watch vibrating, the Moto 360. The Pebble still hasn't detected the disconnection. Now it did. It does a double vibration. So you see, it takes a while on the Pebble, which is contrary to the notifications, which are really quick. But I guess that's the way it works. 4 updates probably fix that too. One thing though, the Pebble will vibrate when it gets a connection, not the Moto 360. So there, right now it just did the double vibrate thing. It's once again connected. On the Moto 360, you just have to go ahead and check, and if you don't see the disconnection sign appear, you know you're connected once again to the phone. So this is the end of the video. This is not a versus comparison to see which is the best smartwatch. These were just some tests to show you how both system works when connected to the same smartphone. I leave the conclusions up to you. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.